Guys, let's make Father's Day meal. So we're having barbecue, and fish is part of the barbecue that we're having. And I have my stuff here for the sauce. So Robert just finished setting the oven this morning on the kitchen, though the kitchen is not ready, but I'm gonna be using that for baking some fries.
You mean chips?
Chips, whatever name you people call it. Pommes. Okay. So first of all, we have these two fish, and we want to prepare it in different way. I have my soya spices here. We want to prepare the fish in different methods. So first of all, we're gonna have olive oil.
Are you smoking the fish?
We're gonna do it on barbecue, yeah? We have time. We're gonna have a little bit of Italian herbs on it also. Okay, that's it. Black pepper. Thank you. I need the stuff for pommes. I thought you said you were gonna wash it.
The bottom is washed, yes.
Yeah, I need it. So we have salt in there.
Alright, hatte ich hier.
Inside here. Robert Hood. You know. So now this is the second one. We're gonna have a little bit of. Gonna add salt to it. Now the spices is gonna come in.
No, that is the hot soya pepper.
Yep, that's soya spices.
Mommy, are you doing again this? This was the. Again, that was the onions.
So we have this one here. We're gonna do some.
Hör auf, Heavelier.
Liam is under there. Under that thing that is just shaking. Liam is there.
So little.
I think I have to put you on diet too. Did you guys hear him? So little. I'm gonna put Ashley on diet.
But the bag was so big, but there was so little pumice inside.
It's not so big. We still have bread here. I'm gonna put the bread later. So I put this bread out of the freezer. So I'm gonna
Mommy,
do it.
can
I'm
I
gonna
put
do
it
it later.
The oven.
There's no space, so we just put it here. Put the space.
Harry. Hi.
Mia. Mama, Leute! Sicher mal was nicht. Hey! Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. What did you have in your mouth? Let's go to... Hi, Mommy. Daddy.
Daddy's busy here. Au. Muss das sein, Richard?
He's only trying to pass.